guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick tutorial on how I do winged eyeliner because I didn't know what to film. I didn't know what look to film. Okay, let's rewind. So I wanted to do like a makeup look, right? And I was planning on doing like, should I say? Okay, I won't say, but I was planning on doing a specific look and I didn't like have faith in myself and didn't think I had the abilities to actually do the look that I had in my head. So I was like, let me practice this real quick, right? So I went and I practiced it and it was a flop. So today we're going to do a winged eyeliner tutorial. I'm gonna show you baddies how I get sharp, precise winged eyeliner. Okay, that's so like inappropriate. By the way, we got this yellow background going today. Kind of looks like the material for Belle's dress, low-key. Without further ado, I don't know how to act. You guys want to see the setup, how this works? You want to see? That's Okay, so how I like to get my eyeliner. First step is to pray to the fucking gods, bro, because honestly, most of the time this doesn't come out well. So just fucking pray, dude, and everything should go down smooth. I like to use this eyeliner right here. This is the NYX matte liquid liner. This is good. This is like $7 and it's really good. I honestly prefer using felt tips just because for me it's easier to like finesse. What is this called? To finesse? To control? To control. It's easier to control, but they dry out really quick and they can be really expensive, like 20 bucks for a fucking felt tip liner that's gonna last like a couple of months at most, maybe. So I just started buying this one. This is the second time I bought this one, so it's trusty. It doesn't smudge or smear. The Wet n Wild one, girl, do not buy the Wet n Wild one. It's cheap or whatever, but it's not. You cry one single tear, your eye leaks, you're over. You're over, over. It starts to drizzle just lightly, just a little drizzle, and one little drop of rain hits that liner, you're over, you're done. I'm not even over exaggerating is the thing either. Like that shit runs like girls from a One Direction concert. Swear to God, it is so bad. So I started getting this one, and yes, it is a bit more expensive, but it works, and it's matte, and it's dark black. Let's get with it though, because I ramble too much. This is just a little brush. I will open this so you can see. Looks like that. There's like hair particles in the air. Okay, so let's get a little closer. It's really hot. Should I turn the fan on? Hello? So the first step is to look at where the lash line ends, and you want to basically do a flick, just a little flickety flick. So you kind of just want to create a line, not upwards though, outwards. Just like that. And by the way, this would be way darker hadn't I used the hell out of this. Oh wait, is this my old one? Hold on, I think I got my old one. I'm a little hoarder, so I probably didn't even throw the old one away, and I'm probably holding it right now. So we're gonna go find that out right now. Let me go look through the mess that is my vanity, and I will be right back. Okay, hello? I found her. They changed a little packaging. I rarely realized that they did change the packaging, kind of. It's still cute or whatever. I'm getting really fucking annoyed, okay? What you basically want to do is create that line. But it looks really bad right now. Hold up. We'll fix it. You don't want to surpass the line where your eyebrow ends though, because then sis, it gets all messed up. It doesn't look good. Don't do that. After that though, what you want to do is you want to start about a third down the way of the first line, and you want to create another swoop kind of just like that. You want to just fill that in, fill the wing part in. That's where you want to start. Sorry about that. Once you're about this, can I talk? Can I English right now? Hello. Tangible, actual words, let me come through. Once you've gotten that shape, now you can start on lining the lid. So basically what you just want to do is connect. I feel like I'm fucking blind right now. Just like that. And then I start from the beginning. And very carefully, I just line my eye. And if, as you can see right there, there's a little divot kind of where it's like straight, and then it goes whoop, like whoop. So I kind of just want to fill that in. And make it all the same. Once you have that, let that hoe dry. I don't remember what I was saying because my mom called while I was in the middle of trying to speak English. But the next step is to get a brush kind of like this with a super flat edge. So I like to take this just because it'll be really easy to just, you know, just sharpen it. So I'm going to take a little bit of concealer. Make sure the concealer isn't lighter than your skin, because then that looks funky. Make sure it's the closest shade to your skin tone as possible, and take the smallest amount, because the small amount goes a long way. If you have a crap ton of concealer, you're just gonna end up effing up the wing, and then you're gonna have to go in with wing liner again, and then it's just gonna turn out really big and over dramatic and not what you wanted. I'm pretty okay with this size. I'd say that's like an okay size, but we've all been there when we've just been like fidgeting and getting all scared, and like your heart's pumping and you're like, I don't want to mess this up, I don't want to mess this up, and then you mess it up, you know, because we're like human and that happens. Basically the goal here is to cut a bitch. All you want to do is just align that bottom line with the concealer, just like so. And then I like to go in with my finger and just pat out the excess, just because the warmth of your finger just really helps melt the product into your skin easier. And once that's done, you got it, bro. Slice a bitch with your wings, bro. I'm gonna go do the other side, put on some lashes, and show y'all the final look. So if you want to know, here goes, gonna tell you this about me show. If you go and let you see everything, but remember that you asked for it. I'm trying to do my best to impress, but it's easier to let you take a guess with the rest on it. If you want to hear what lives in my brain. I BS'd half of those lyrics. So a lot went down off camera, but we're here and we're clear. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're trying to reach 80 subs and we're super fucking close. So if you want to become a part of this, all of this, yeah, subscribe to my channel, like this video if you enjoyed, and if it helps you out at all, let me know in the comments, because that's what I'm here for. Helping people with makeup. Although there are probably millions of winged eyeliner tutorials and you decided to watch this one, and that's a true bestie right there. That's a homie. Good. Look at that though. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. Look at it. Anyways, I guess I will see you all in my next one. It'll probably be up in like 4 days. 4 days, maybe like 3 or 4, 2 to 4 days. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. I don't know what to say. I never know what to say when I finish my videos. See you all in the next one. Bye!